In this video, we'll show you what to do if the Telegram app is not sending the verification code on your Android phone for the login process. So to fix this, first head to the settings app on your Android phone and then tap on connections. Now in here, you will need to tap on mobile networks. Now here make sure that the data roaming toggle is enabled. Now additionally, scroll down and then tap on network operators. Now here you will need to turn off this select automatically toggle. Now select your mobile network manually from the list. After that, go ahead and request the verification code and see if it works. If you still experience problems, head to the search menu in the settings app. Now search for reset. Now here you will need to select this reset network settings option. Now select reset mobile network settings and then tap on this reset settings button at the bottom. After this, try requesting a verification code one more time and see if it works. If you still experience problems, go ahead and uninstall the Telegram app from your Android phone. After deleting the Telegram app, go ahead and restart your Android phone. After the reboot, head to the Play Store to download the Telegram app again and then try to request the verification code one more time. If nothing else works, your last option is head to the Play Store and download a free VPN app on your Android phone. Once you have downloaded the app, simply connect to a different region. Once you see the key icon at the top, it means that your phone is now connected to a VPN network. Now head to the Telegram app again and try to request the verification code one more time.